Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you here. I can promise you're going to learn a lot from today's video, so make sure you are watching to the end. Alright, so to start with, I needed some bay leaves. Bay leaves are great when it comes to hair growth and hair care. It can condition your hair to prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and strengthen your hair strands. I also added some few cloves. Cloves are great when it comes to hair growth. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues. Clove can also stimulate blood flow to the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. A lot of you have tried clove and I know you love it just the way I do love it. But if you haven't seen any results with cloves, maybe you are not using it the right way. You can follow this recipe and try it this way to see how well your hair will work with this. So the next thing I did was add some star anise. This natural ingredient is so powerful, people are just sleeping on. You need to add this to your hair care routine if you haven't yet. Star anise have nutrients that can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help provide your hair follicles with oxygen and nutrients that are needed for it to grow and thrive. It can also prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and hair shedding. So I added only 1 star anise to this recipe. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so when it came to the measurement, I didn't use any specific measurement. That is one thing I love about my DIY recipes, because they are all natural ingredients. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way. What I did was I put everything in a saucepan, added some water to it, then put it on the stove, allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you're going to wait until it cools down. Then after that, you strain it into a bowl like so. At this point, you can add some pure glycerin. When you add glycerin to your DIY hair sprays, what it does is it helps hydrate your scalp and your hair as well to prevent hair breakages. It also acts as a humectant. That means it draws moisture from the air into your hair to keep your hair and scalp hydrated for a long time. As it keeps hydrating your scalp, It can help prevent dry scalp, itchiness, dandruff, scaly scalp, and other things that goes on the scalp. So when your scalp is free from all of that, it can help stimulate new healthy hair growth. You need healthy scalp environment for healthy hair growth, and adding glycerin to your hair growth spray can help you achieve that. So at this point, I'm also going to add essential oils. Essential oils also help stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Also, it adds to the fragrance of any DIY hairspray. Today, I added some rosemary essential oil. Just a few drops did the trick. You can feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. Lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil, just to mention a few. Any of these essential oils would work. At this point, I'm also going to add some olive oil. Olive oil is also great to help add some shine to your hair and prevent hair breakages. You don't have to add olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice: avocado oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, any plant-based oil that your hair loves. I added about a tablespoon to this recipe. After that, I give it a good stir, and it's time to transfer everything into a spray bottle. This DIY recipe is all ready. It is super powerful, and I'm going to show you how to use this. But before getting into that, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, please make sure to do so. If you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe. Share this video so others can also watch. Once you have your hairspray like this, you can apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. You don't have to rinse it out. Use this whenever your hair feels dry, or at least 4 times a week. Whenever you use this, follow with a hair moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner. Don't forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Consistency is key, so do not forget to be consistent with the use. If you have any extras, you can put in the refrigerator for about 4 days. Let me know in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.